What's up guys, today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the new iPhone XR. As you guys may know, I am not really an Apple person. I have mostly all Samsung phones. I actually currently have an iPhone 7 and I'm using that to trade in for $250 off of this phone. But I did buy this phone with my own money. Basically I got it over Samsung because I want it for Snapchat mostly, which kind of sounds stupid, but it does work a lot better on Snapchat, and I use Snapchat a lot. That's why I got this phone. I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing of this, show you what's all in the package and what it looks like straight out of the box. This is what it came in this box like this, wrapped to the box. Kind of weird.
Let's go ahead and open it up.
So here's the box itself. As you can see, I got the product red iPhone XR color, 64 gigabyte. I did order this directly off of Apple's website. Like I said before, I traded in my iPhone 7 for $250 off of this phone, so I only had to pay $500 plus tax. Beautiful iPhone Apple presentation. Designed by Apple California. Got the product red certification slip. And just some quick start guide stuff along with a SIM injector tool. Alright, here's the phone itself. Beautiful. We're going to put that aside. You get some wired ear pods with the lightning adapter because this phone does not have a auxiliary port, and a lightning cable with the charging brick. Unfortunately, this is slow charge. They do not include the fast chargers with the phone, and that's all that's in there. So that's pretty much all I'm doing, is just showing you guys what it's like to unbox it. But I will be doing a review video on this phone, along with a review video on this Tech 21 case for this phone. So if you want to see those, make sure to go to my channel. There'll be a link here in the top right corner to go to my channel, check out my other videos, and make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.